Kaizer Chiefs co-coach Cedric Case believes Amakhosi are finally moving in the right direction after a season that restored hope at Naturena, with the club securing a top 3 finish and a return to continental football. Amakhosi are set to end the 2025-2026 Betway Premiership campaign in that place, a massive turnaround for a side that failed to finish inside the top 8 in each of the previous 2 seasons. Their current tally of 54 points already marks significant progress from last season's disappointing 9th place finish on just 32 points, and they remain on track to match the 57 points they collected during their 2019-2020 runner-up campaign. Despite the improvement, Case believes Chiefs missed a golden opportunity to challenge for the league title in a season where no single team truly dominated the race. Speaking to Far Post, he admitted Amakhosi were within touching distance of the summit before losing momentum midway through the season, and said this season there was no team that completely dominated the league. Every club was competitive and we remained close to the top until around late January. But it also became a lesson for us. We have reflected on what we could have done differently to remain in the title race for longer. Still, when you compare where we are now to last season, the improvement is clear. The team deserves better things. Case and fellow interim co-coach Ben Yusuf took charge following the departure of former mentor Nasruddin Nabi in September.